All right, here is the Eren with short hair from Attack on Titan, and I've gotten so many requests for this, so what I want to do is break down what I did. The entire haircut, I used a feather, okay? This is a professional haircutting tool. It's called a feather razor. You can find these on Amazon, but you know, I would not suggest using this unless you're a professional because it is a razor blade. But what I did is I really concentrated on making the haircut very, very wispy, very textured, all right, in order to get those kind of flips and those pieces, all right? A lot of anime haircuts, obviously they're drawn on and they're anime, but in order to recreate that, you're gonna need some sort of very textured, wispy, thinned out hair, okay? So if you've got really curly hair, wavy hair, this is not going to work. These haircuts really are ideal for somebody with pin straight hair, okay? If you've got pin straight hair, then it's gonna be a little bit easier for you. And I just really went through the entire haircut using the razor, you know, taking out chunks of hair, making it very wispy, but also with a good, you know, obvious foundation. And I wanted to not just make it a big, you know, hack off as much hair as I possibly could. There is a flow to it, right? And there is obviously a style and a shape, which is really, really important. So then what I did is I actually did this on fully dry hair, okay? I used the razor on fully dry hair, and that's how I created this look. No blow drying. The one thing that is important is getting that style. So you need something that's very waxy, like my new wax paste. This is extreme hold. It's great for pliability. As you can see, we've got those pieces in here, those accentuated pieces. Rub it into your hands fully, so the product has worked in nicely, and it's much easier to work into the hair that way. If you're looking for a different style, if you've got really thick hair, then you can apply it when it's still a bit creamy, but it does take shape really quickly, right? But the more you work it into your hands, the more it kind of softens up the product a bit, but it's still got great texture and great hold. So it's a really amazing wax paste. Piece it out, and then you really are good to go. I do have other anime characters. If you are looking for these types of videos, just, you know, you could search TheSalonGuy or anime. One thing I do want to make you aware of, and I'm so excited about, if you use code YouTube20, this is an exclusive code for my hair products. So if you are interested in purchasing the wax paste or any of my products at shop.thesalonguy.com, this code is just for you. 20% off. Use code YouTube20 at checkout.